Hello friends. So I recently came across an issue where I had installed a new Debian 13, and as soon as I ran the command apt-get update, I'll run it again for you. It gave me the following error, and I'm sure all of you must be having the same error. Now, how do I fix it? So first, what you need to do is look at the contents of this file etc slash apt slash sources dot list. So you will see this is what it says Debian CD-ROM, and this is not a URL on the internet. Hence, it gives that error. So how do we fix this error? First, open this file etc apt sources.list and simply comment out this line. Hit Ctrl X, caps Y, save. Now your file is saved. Now, do you think this error is gone? Let's see. Yes, error is gone, but now it can't find any packages. So what do we do? The solution is pretty simple. All you need to do is just run a simple basic command, which I'll show you, and that is copy slash user slash share slash doc slash apt slash examples slash debian dot sources space into, so that's the source, and the destination is slash etc slash apt slash sources dot list dot d. So remember, what we saw the contents of was sources dot list, but the file that we are copying debian dot sources is in sources dot list dot d directory. All right. Now, once we do that and we run apt-get update, you will see it's starting to get all the latest packages, and hence your issue is resolved. So this was a very simple video where I wanted to show you the error that you see and how to resolve it. For more information, you can come to my website opsandcloud.com, and as you can see, so just to recap, this is the command that we ran. We saw this error, comment out line in the file etc apt sources.list, and then simply execute this command debian.sources sources.list.t, and just one more line that I would like to add is debian.sources comes with the installation itself of the Debian 13, and it has all the sources of the packages that you would like to install. So again, a very simple to the point video. And if you need more info, just come to my site opsandcloud.com. Thank you.